Okay, I'm covering the robot rally here. This is a rally that it was for high school students and junior high students if they were, up to snuff. And they made robots. And it was a nationwide contest. And these kids did some pretty good work, actually. This is them setting up for it. I'm going to use this as a backdrop to talk about nanobots. The basic science behind what they're doing isn't going to be all that different from nanobots, because there's not going to be that much mechanism free in the background. So here's the winners, actually. This was the girls bot team, and just to give you an idea how big it is, it's 2 of my hand spans. And this was the award-winning multitask one. This one literally is no bigger than my hand. This is kind of a big one. But you can see they're using materials that you could get for common people. Like this has erector sets in it. This one's made out of Legos. The basic technology that they're employing are going to be in the nanobots, because there's not going to be room for a whole lot of stuff. But the material that the military is going to be using to make it will be much smaller. It'll be on the nanoscales. The circuits within it. The carrying case will be probably fullerene tubes or light lattice metal. So what they'll do is there's going to be, I'm going to call it the nanobot rain. And what they'll do is they'll release drones, and these drones will drop particles all over the battlefield. It will be a rain, and they'll be providing intel. There'll be a one-time use. They'll look a lot like, as they come down, they're going to look a lot like if you've ever seen the old Disney film that everybody watched in school, where there was a seed came off of a tree, and it had the two parts that caused it to spin, kind of like a helicopter to slow its descent. It's going to look a little bit like that. So they'll spread these nanobots, one-time use robots, and they'll provide intel. Now this intel is going to tell people on the battlefield where people are. That will both tell frequencies and read what's going on in the battlefield electromagnetically, and also jam things electromagnetically. The battlefield of the future is going to be a very dangerous place. It's going to end up being highly automated. You'll still have rapid reaction forces that will create islands of firepower that'll be roaming. Those will be the ones that can't. Those will be the rapid reaction forces that won't be pre-programmed. That they can't. The responses will have to be more fluid. So they'll still have people. There'll be several squad size strength in the battlefield. They'll create islands of stability, and they'll go from place to place and be picked up, and it'll be rapid deployments of these. But the nanobot rain, there's going to be drones everywhere. There's going to be drone tanks, and this one-time nanobot rain will be seen on the battlefield. Thank you. Check more out on timbosplace.com and any of my YouTube channels. Pat Moynihan, Edward Moynihan, and Patrick Moynihan. Thank you.